From studs to stunning, DIY room transformation. Watch this jaw-dropping transformation from bare framing to fully insulated and drywalled walls, all done with hustle, skill and serious dedication. Whether you're tackling your own home renovation or just love seeing real construction progress, this video is packed with motivation and DIY tips. Framing, insulation, drywall install, window cutout, laser leveling, and homemade drywall lifts. Subscribe and follow the journey of this full home renovation step by step. Location, DIY basement project. Tools used. Today we're taking a hands-on look at some of the best tools for drywall and construction work. We start with the Arrow PD50 pneumatic staple gun, perfect for upholstery, wood and carpet. Next, we've got the Bosch Drywall Dimpler, a game changer for setting screws at the right depth every time. If you're cutting drywall, the DeWalt rotary saw WX660 is a must-have. Clean, fast and precise. To keep everything level, I use the Ryobi 16-line 4D laser level. This thing covers your whole room with precision. When it's time for framing, the Metabo HPT framing nailer powers through nails from 2 to 3.5 inches with ease. For insulation, we rely on our 30 Eco-Roll craft-faced fiberglass, easy to cut and perfect for walls. We wrap it all up with the USG Ultralight drywall, strong but easy to lift, and the dependable Black & Decker corded drill. And don't forget the DeWalt Pancake air compressor, 1165 psi of reliable power for your tools. These tools helped us transform the space from bare framing to fully insulated and drywalled. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.